お前もう死んでる。どういうこと？なに？ What's up mga hitsuraan, mga choy, mga chay? This is Hitsuraang Kulisaw making random videos today, and today I'm going to start a tutorial on how to learn Japanese language in an easy way. So I'll be doing a series of tutorial in this channel, so I hope you guys will subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified if I upload tutorials in my YouTube channel. So today's tutorial is all about Hiragana. So I hope you guys will learn this one, and this is the first step on how to learn Japanese language. So we need to know how to write and we need to know how to read Hiragana first. So first things first, we need to trust the process, and the process will start right now. Okay, so let's open Microsoft Paint. First letter is A, next is E, U, E, O. So that's the basic foundation of Japanese language, guys. So how to write A? That's A, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's A. E, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's E. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's E. 1, 2, 1, 2. I mean 1, 2, 1, 2. How about O? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's all. We have A, 1, 2. That's A, E, U, E, O. Okay, so next is Ka. So this is how you write Ka. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's Ka. Ki. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ki. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. Ku. 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 Okay, that's ku. Ke. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's ke. Ko. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's ko. So we have ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So ga is from the ka. Then you just put this one, ga, to become ga. Okay, that's ga. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's ga. Gi. Okay, gi. Ki. Ki. Gi. Ki. Gi. Gu. Put this one to become gu. 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 From ke, put some this one to become ge. 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 That's it. Just put some teng teng. Then go. Go. Put some go. 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 That's it. Sa. They have no C, so they change C to she. That's she. Su. Se. So. Okay? How you write sa? Simple. 1, 2, 3. Sa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. She. 1. 1. 1. That's she. Okay? Su. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's su. Se. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How about so? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Actually, it's only one stroke, guys. So we have sa, she, su, se, so. So how about za? Z, they have Z. Yep, they have Z, but they changed to za. So they changed it to G. Letter G. G, za, G. Z, Z. Okay, Z, they have Z. Okay, Z, ze, zo. Okay, from sa, put this one to become za. Za. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's za. From she, put this one to become ji. She, ji. She, ji. Okay, from su, put this one z. Su, z, su, z. From se to z. Ze. From se to ze. From se to ze. From so, so, zo. So, zo. So, zo. We have za, ji, ji, z, ze, and zo. Ta. They have no T, so they have no T. They change T to chi. I mean, they change T to chi, so ta chi. They change tu to tsu, so that's tu. Te to. Okay? Ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's ta. Chi. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Simple. Te. 1, 1, 1. That's te. To. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's to. So we have ta, chi, tu, te, to. How to write da from ta? 1, 2, ta, 1, 2, ta, 1, 2. Okay? Chi. Okay. Next is chi. Put this one to become ji. Chi, 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 ji. Okay? Tu. Put this one to become zu. Tu, zu, tu, zu. Okay? From te, de, te, de, te, de. From to. Put this one to become do. To, do, to, do. We have da, ji, tu, de, do. Na. How you write na? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's na. Ni. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's ni. Nu. 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. 1, 2. Ne. 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so that's ne. That's how you write no. 1, 1, 1. So we have na, ni, nu, ne, no. Okay? We go to ha. Ha, he, hu. They have no hu, so they change hu to fu. I mean, they change hu to fu. Okay? That's ha, he, fu, he, ho. Ha, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. That's ha. Simple. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Actually, it's one stroke only. That's he. Four strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fu. Okay, he. Simple. 1, 1, 1. That's he. Ho. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so ba. Simple. Ha. Let's get ha and then put some. That one. B. From he, you just put this one to become B. From fu, you just put this one to become B. From be, just put this one to become be. Bo, put this one, ho, from ho, become bo. So how about pa? So pa, ha, from ha, you just put some circle here to become pa. He, put some circle to become pi. Fu, put some circle to become pu. And pi, pe, to become he, to become pe. And po, ho, from ho, become po. That's it. How you write ma? 1, 2, 3. Ma. 1, 2, 3. Ma. 1, 2, 3. Me. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's me. Mu. Okay? 1, 2. 1, 2. That's mu. Me. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Mo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's mo. So we have ma, mi, mu, me, mo. I mean, mo. Okay, so how you write ra? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, r, 1, 2, I mean 1, 1, re, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, that's re, ro. Okay, 1, 1, 1. So that's ro. So 3 characters. Yeah, how you write yeah? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. That's you. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's yo. How you write wa? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's wa. Wo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's wo. The N word. So how to write N? That's N, 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 N. So this is the last part. So I hope you will also get this one. So kya, how do you get kya? From ki. You just have to plus ya. From ki to ya equals kya. Small letter ya. Not big letter ya, but small letter ya to become kya. So that's kya, kya. So the base is ki, so we have to put q, small letter q, ki, small letter q, ki, small letter q. That's q, kyo. Okay, just change the small letter to kyo, ki, kyo, ki, kyo. Okay, we have kya, kyu, kyo, kyo. You make gya, so that's ki. Teng teng, ya. So that's gya. From ki, put this one, gya to make gya. That's ki, gya. Ki, ki, ya. So that's gya. Gyu, that's gyu, gyu. Okay, gyu, gyu. Small letter gyu, u. Small letter u. Small letter yo here. Gyo. 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 Gya. Small letter ya. Gyu. Gyo. Gyo. From ni, you just have to put nya. So that's nya, nya, nya. Ni, you just have to put small letter u to become new, 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 nyo, nyo. Okay, simple. So the base is he. You just have to put ya, small letter ya, small letter ya. He, he, ya. You just have to put small letter u. Hue, hue, hue. So that's hue. Okay, hyo. Small letter hyo, hyo. So that's hyo. So we have hya, hyo, hyo. From he, put some this to become b, and then plus ya. Bia, bia. Small letter ya. Bu, bu, bu. Byo, small letter yo, yo, yo. So pya, from he, just put circle to become p, then plus ya, small letter ya, to become pya. That's pya, pya, pya. So you just have to put small letter u to become pyu, pyu. Small letter yo, pyo, pyo. Base is mi plus ya, so becomes nya, nya. Small letter ya, nya. Mu, small letter mu, mu, mu. Mi, small letter u, small letter u. Myo, myo, miyo. From base is ri plus ya, small letter ya. Ri, ya. Ri, ya. Small letter u to become yu. You. That is you. Okay? Small letter yo. Small letter yo. Ri, yo, yo. We have base ri plus ya, rya. Ri, ryu. Ri, ri. Small letter yo. Ji, and then ja, ya. Okay? Small letter ya. So that's ja. Ja. Shi, ja. Ja. J. J. She become G plus J become J. Small letter E, J, J. Small letter J, J. Small letter yo, Jo. Small letter Jo, Jo, Jo. We have Ja. Small letter Ya, J. Jo, J, 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 Jo. From Chi, of course, you just have to put small letter ya, cha, to become cha, cha, cha. Okay? From chi, base chi plus chi, that's chi, chi, chi. How about che? Just put che, che, che. This is not a common, but so the most common is cha, chi, and cho only. So cho, that's cho, cho. Small letter yo. Okay? So we have cha, chi, che, cho. So last but not the least, from she, add some small letter ya to become sha. She, sha. She, add some ya, become sha. Put some u, become shu, shu. The shu, she. Put some e, she, she. That's she, sho. Put some u, sho, sho. Okay? We have sha, small letter sha, shu, she, sho. Okay, that's it. That's the complete hiragana, guys, and I hope you guys will subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. So I hope you guys have a great day and see you again next time. This is Hitsuraang Kulisaw signing off. Peace!